Suzuki Eiger 400 won't start refers to when the Suzuki Eiger's engine will not begin working, meaning it won't start up or it has difficulty starting up. This video will detail the main reasons why a Suzuki Eiger 400 four-wheeler will not turn on. Now, before we go over the different reasons why your off-road machine won't start, I highly recommend you download the factory repair manual. The factory repair manual will show you how to fix everything we discuss here. In fact, it contains the same information dealer technicians and shop mechanics use to fix, maintain, and troubleshoot your ATV. To download a repair manual instantly, you can go to www.911manual.com. So basically just go to the website, click on where it says ATV manuals, click on Suzuki manuals, and then you can just select the repair manual and download it instantly. So if the Suzuki Eiger 400 will not start or is hard to start, you want to check three different areas. You want to check compression, spark, and fuel. So in terms of compression, you want to check for a worn cylinder, a worn piston ring, worn valve guide or improper valve seating, loose spark plug, check for a slow cranking starter motor, and valve clearance could possibly be out of adjustment. So if compression is good, you want to check the spark. Look for a fouled spark plug, a wet spark plug, a defective ignition coil, an open or short in the high tension cord, a defective generator, or a defective CDI unit. So if compression is good and spark is good, you need to check the fuel. And what I would look for is a clogged fuel tank vent hose, a clogged or defective fuel valve, a defective carburetor needle valve, a clogged fuel hose, or a clogged fuel filter. Anyway, what I listed are the main reasons why the Suzuki Eiger 400 will not start. I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to download the repair manual, as you should never work on your four-wheeler without a repair manual handy. Plus the manual shows you how to fix your ride.